What are you doing, Eliashu?
He wants to turn off the light. It doesn't work.
You can't do it. Here, get Oma's help. Okay, turn it back on.
Put it on again.
Alright! Yay!
Isn't that fun?
Is Oma gonna help you turn the light off? Can you do it? Like, get Oma to do it.
Okay. Oh God!
Okay, turn it back on. Yay!
Okay, now we have to go down.
You give Oma a kiss?
Give me a kiss for helping
Kiss
you.
to Oma.
Oh, my thumb, he almost broke my thumb here. I'm telling you, you're impossible.
Light on.
Impossible.
Turn it on.
Turn it on.
On. Good. Yay. Applause. Applause.
Applause.
Yay.
You got him?
Good night.
You got him?
Yep.
And he pressed